These tricks can help you save thousands of dollars at Walmart, and I have never shared them before on my channel. We're getting our shop on today. Check out this deal. They're all $1. Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime. So recently I made a Walmart Wows video, which you guys loved, but I got so many questions. You said shopping clearance at Walmart could feel overwhelming. Why are the prices different online and in store? Let me tell you, you do not have to be an extreme couponer to take advantage of these 3 incredible tricks that are going to save you a ton of money. To make all of these tips work, you need the Walmart app. It's totally free. This video is not sponsored, but this is what we're going to use to save money. The first thing I want you to know when buying big ticket merchandise, I'm talking vacuum cleaners, high-end crafting supplies, even furniture. Almost every time, those items are cheaper on Walmart's website than they are in store. So with the app on your phone, look up the item, and this is really easy to do. Once you're on the home screen of the Walmart app, all you need to look for is this little barcode up at the top. Once you click that, you're going to use this to find your barcode. Now I can use this tab to toggle between the in-store price and the online price to see which one is better. If the item is cheaper online, take it to the register, show them the price. Remember, the item must be identical and Walmart will honor it. The Cricut Easy Press is $227 in store and $199 online. So these Shark vacuums are $129 in store. They are not on sale. But if I really quickly scan this with my Walmart app, I click walmart.com, it's $114. By doing nothing, I just saved over 10 bucks. And this item was not on clearance. So you do have to talk to a cashier to do this, but man, when it comes to those big ticket items, you save so much money. KitchenAid mixers are $189 here, and in store are $259. That's insane. Next up, we're going to talk about how to maximize your savings with Walmart clearance. Here's what you've got to know. The best time to shop the clearance section are during a transition of seasons. You can find some incredible scores. I found these goggles that retail for $47 and I got them for 25 cents. Not even kidding. They have outdoor equipment, really high-end things that you use all the time. I get my craft supplies for pennies on the dollar. But here's what you also have to know. The clearance at one store, for example, on this organizer, can be completely different in a neighboring store just down the road. Why is that? Nobody has any idea. But the Walmart app will actually tell you how much each store is selling that item for. I recently got this light fixture for just $11.55. And in other stores, they retailed for more. Now here's the beauty of social media. People who do this all day, every day, for a living have already put in the legwork for you, and that is over on Instagram. If you use the hashtag Walmart clearance, a bunch of Instagrammers will pop up showing you SKU numbers and items right now that are on clearance. Then what you can do is take that Walmart app I told you about, type it in, and find stores in your area that have that item. Keep in mind, you can't buy these online. You have to go in store to get that deal, but just by simply filtering your store down, you can find where the best deal is near you. And here's a true story from the Do It on a Dime community. I shared some really cool pantry organizers that I got for an incredible deal. And some of you guys said they were on sale for $5 at your store. And with these items, they will ring up at the register correctly, so you don't even have to talk to a cashier. You can do self-checkout. You can actually find secret clearance at Walmart. Now, what does that mean? These are items that are not marked as clearance, but when you scan them with the app, they show up as cheaper. And when you take them up to the register, they will ring up at that price. So there's this clearance rack just chilling here, and all of these are really pretty sparkly shoes. Originally $16.87, marked down to $9. Let's see if that's accurate.
Nope, they're really only $5, and on Walmart.com are still $11.81. Nice.
Also bear in mind you might get some super bonus surprises on clearance items. So these are items that have already been marked down, but they're actually even cheaper than the marked price because they just haven't had time to add the stickers on them yet.
We've got a nifty Hoover on rollback here. I'm just gonna scan this. It is $169 in this store, so this is incorrectly marked. So when I go to checkout, I'm gonna get that $169 price.
I found items in the clearance section that still had active displays in the store that were not marked down yet. So yes, those items are scattered throughout the store. You will find them all over.
But all of these candles are actually marked down to $5. This little display of cubby cubes, okay, check this out. Then I come back here. These are the same cubes, except they're in the clearance section.
So glad you are here today. If this video was at all helpful to you, would you please leave it a big thumbs up? And if nobody has told you today, I want you to know you are enough. I cannot wait to catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe so I can see you there. Bye!
Just living the dream.
Slowly but surely taking out all the boob lights in the house.
Is this the last one?
Poor Charlie.